Data analytics is the process of using various techniques and tools to analyze and interpret data in order to extract useful insights and inform decision-making. It is a rapidly growing field that is used across a wide range of industries and contexts, from finance and healthcare to marketing and e-commerce. In this article, we will explore the basics of data analytics, including the types of data that are typically analyzed, the tools and techniques used in the field, and the many ways in which data analytics is being applied in the real world. Introduction to data analytics. Data analytics is a broad field that encompasses a wide range of techniques and approaches for analyzing and interpreting data. At its core, data analytics is all about making sense of data and using it to inform decision-making and solve problems. It can be used to identify trends and patterns, make predictions about future outcomes, and optimize business processes and operations. There are two main types of data that are typically analyzed in data analytics: structured and unstructured data. Structured data is data that is organized in a predictable way, such as in a database or spreadsheet. It is easy to process and analyze using tools like SQL and Excel. Unstructured data, on the other hand, is data that is not organized in a predictable way, such as text documents, images, and audio files. Analyzing unstructured data can be more challenging, as it requires specialized techniques and tools. There are many different techniques and tools that are used in data analytics, depending on the specific goals and needs of the analysis. Some common techniques include visualizing data using charts and graphs, calculating summary statistics like mean and standard deviation, and using statistical models to make predictions. Tools that are commonly used in data analytics include programming languages like Python and R, data visualization software like Tableau and Qlik, and distributed computing platforms like Hadoop and Spark. Data collection and preparation. Before data can be analyzed, it must be collected and prepared for analysis. There are many different methods for collecting data, including through experiments, surveys, and web scraping. It is important to carefully plan and execute the data collection process to ensure that the data is accurate, representative, and sufficient for the intended analysis. Once the data has been collected, it must be cleaned and formatted in order to be ready for analysis. This process, known as data preparation, involves tasks such as removing errors and inconsistencies, handling missing values, and standardizing data formats. Data preparation can be a time-consuming and tedious process, but it is critical to the quality and reliability of the final analysis. Exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is the process of examining and summarizing the characteristics of a dataset in order to gain a better understanding of it. Exploratory data analysis involves visualizing data, calculating summary statistics, and identifying patterns and trends. It is an iterative process that helps researchers to get a feel for the data and identify interesting areas for further investigation. There are many different techniques that can be used in exploratory data analysis, depending on the specific goals and characteristics of the data. Some common techniques include creating histograms and scatterplots to visualize the distribution and relationships of data points, calculating summary statistics like mean, median, and standard deviation to describe the central tendency and dispersion of the data, and identifying correlations and trends using techniques like regression and analysis. Predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is a key aspect of data analytics that involves using statistical models to make predictions about future outcomes based on past data. Predictive models are built using machine learning algorithms that are trained on